So, how are you all? Might be in good mood again with English. As I told earlier, your mother tongue is English now. Am I right or not? Yes, you have to think, you have to sing, you have to dance. You are dancing in English songs, I think so. All are. You don't know what are the words, what are the lines, what are the lyrics, but the rhythmic trembling we can see. It shivers, your legs starts dancing. So let's have English. Again with the same scenario, same thing, figures of speech, yeah, parts of speech. I think so you might be thinking, sir is mad or so, again and again repeating the same thing. No, I am not mad, but I will be mad if I will not face you all in front of me. So let's go to some revision section. We have already studied now. Parts of speech are there. What we are speaking some, and we are having parts of speech. So in parts of speech, we had gone through noun, pronoun, verb. We had done verb. Yes, the last section we went through the verb. Preposition, conjunction, many things. I told verb is more important, most important for you. Yes, definitely. Yet I didn't got the assignment from my 9th standard student. In 10th only 2. I don't know why. You don't like my teaching, yeah, you don't like English. But anyhow, you have to go through English. So, today we will go with another section, another part of speech. And that is called adjective. Adjective. These two words. Something is added to adjectives. Yes, I have written the adjective. Right, the. Can anybody got a particular answer, especially from 10th standard? I would like to have answers. Now, might be Bhumi, I forgot name, Kavya, and my voice. I would like to have answer from Prakash even. You can do it. So, why the adjectives? TH, the, we can say. Many pronunciations are there regarding British, American. Even we Gujarati used to pronounce in a typical way. If somebody from South Indian, he or she used to pronounce in a typical way. As we are going to Jethalal, means Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma, that I here used to pronounce in a typical way. So the pronunciations comes regarding to our sense, where whatever which place we are living. We Gujarati used to say then to. What does it mean then and to? What is there in then to? Let's have, what is adjective? The adjectives I have written because it's adjectives. Not only adjective, I am going to teach you adjectives. What is adjective? Kuch adding something to the teams. Teams, what does team stands for? Might be things, joke? No. Adding something to what? A word which qualifies or adds something to the meaning of a noun. Yeah, pronoun. Or pronoun. What is or here? Or stands for what? Conjunction, preposition. Decide yourself. You must know what this all stands for. Because you have already, you are just learning over from over 9, 10, 11, 12 years. You must indicate a language, whatever language you are studying over, either in Gujarati, Hindi, Sanskrit, or any language you are going through. Go through. There is depth in the language. Once you are going as to a foreign language, as English is a foreign language, and you are going through this language. And for this language, you must criticize the word, you must criticize the sentences. Then and then only, my dear all, you will come to know about English. Yes, you must know sentence is there. Analyze it. Criticize it. What is verb here? What is a finite verb, infinite verb? Like this something I can just remind this whole thing. Transitive, intransitive, sorry, auxiliary modals are there. That we had gone through my last lecture. Now we are going through something new. That is called adjective. We add something. Here it is written to add something. This addition of something, as you like to add many things in rumors. So let us go through some additions. What we add to something, we are adding something to noun and pronoun. Kuch masala. As mummy is making a very good dish for you, she adds some masala over there. Whatever masalas you like. Not that masala, but whatever the ingredients are there to be in pizza. As you all like pizza, burgers, sandwiches and vada paos and samosas and lots of fast food. I'm sorry. No, my mouth is not watering. But we can say that we are adding something to make samosa. Typically, we are adding to make pizza. So to make adjective, we are adding noun, something to noun and pronoun. What we are adding? We are having, he never ate a good food. See, our sentence also says you that my girls and my boys, nowadays, you youngsters are not eating good food. If mummy will say, beta, eat this thing. Beet is good for you, cucumber is good for you, cabbage is good for you, even ghee. No, we are fond of that vada pav, typical. So, he never ate a good food. Which type of food? What is there? Which is pronoun in this? Which is, what is verb in this sentence? Is this a pronoun? I think so. Never ate is a verb. Then food is a noun. I'm not damn sure. You must know. You must criticize me. And what is good? This is the masala over there. What we are adding to noun and pronoun, some masala. That is adjective. Here I have written adding qualifies or add something to noun and pronoun, that is adjective. It's an easy one. Now you can indicate the adjectives easily. Good boy, bad boy, good girl, bad girl. This all comes in front of us. Adjective of quality. What are the all sections of adjectives? We can say types of adjective, forms of adjectives. Here is another thing. Types of adjective. Number one stands for quality, as you all have quality within you. I think so, you all have quality. So, adjective of quality. What is there? What does it shows? It shows your quality. Which quality? My each and every student is good one, taking fresh food and this whole thing. Fresh apples, fresh vegetables, fresh pizza, fresh burger, वगैरह. You all are having, but this quality is developing, bad one. So it shows quality. Then what comes? You all are in proper stage. You are human beings having particular names, having like Mahin is there, Rajshri is there. Many names are there, particular, we are proper. Have you gone through this word? Yes, you have gone through this word in proper noun. Proper noun. So just like this, like proper noun, there is proper adjective also. How it sounds? Proper adjective. Because you have gone through proper noun. Now there is proper adjective. Made of a proper noun. This adjective is made of a proper noun. As we are Indian, proud to be an Indian. Nepalis are there, Australians are there, Britishers are there. These all are proper noun. We are going through the typical proper noun is converted into proper adjective. Because we are adding some qualities. So here comes proper adjective. Now adjective of numbers. Numbers are going on in our daily life, ups and downs. Numbers. Now numbers, mobile numbers we are just going. Which mobile number we are having? Others mobile number. So numbers plays a vital role regarding this thing. So which number? It shows number 2, 3, all. So it shows the quality of all students are there. There all students are present in class. So all suggests for adjective of numbers. It seems like this. It's the easiest form. But what we have to do, we have to add. We have to add that masala, that ingredients into noun and pronoun. Some we are qualifying. We used to qualify what is this. Then comes adjective of numbers. Sorry, distributive adjective. Distribution. We used to distribute our pizza. We used to distribute our thoughts. We used to distribute our images with many functions. Now apps are there, WhatsApp, Instagram, and many things are there. We are just distributive. So there is distributive adjective also. It distributes something. Each student is not clever. So we are distributing. Each we have distributed. Then either he or she is watching my video. Either he or she is watching my video. It can be distributed with 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 like this. Then every student is not clever. Every student, every student is not clever. Some students are clever. It's what does it seem? Is the line is perfect one? Every student is not clever. Then comes adjective of quantity. We want quantity. We want qualities. We want quantity too. Quantity. Quantity, the pronunciation shows that quantity shows something to you. Shows quantity. How much? Some, number, great. So many things are there. We can easily identify adjectives. Adjectives, nothing is there in adjective. Just our common sense we have to approach. We have to go through the common sense. Even the word once you will just derive this word in your sentences. Once you will use these words in your sentences, obviously you will get the idea of adjectives. Just like verbs. As you can see, the doer. Just like noun. Name a person, place of thing. Yeah, it comes. There is name. We can just indicate. Even a small child of first standard can say name of person, place or thing. Then we can say noun, pronoun, the easiest one, the word used instead of noun. Then came conjunction, joining to sentence. Then came preposition, some qualities or show some qualities. Yeah, works regarding to verb, verb, noun and pronoun. Now we went to adjective that added something, some good quality, bad quality to, some masala to noun and pronoun. You boys, girls, good girls. So many things are there. You can go through an adjective. These are the types of adjectives that we have seen it. So we will continue our adjectives in the next session. Thank you.